plays are doing well. HCL, Asian Paints, Trend.
Yeah, absolutely. And we'll keep them on our radar right now. In the green, 0.5%. That's where the Nifty first rates are. Okay, not. 2610 is where we're currently at. I think that flash was wrong. 93 points lower, 26,098 is where we've settled in at right now. And that's pretty okay. Metals bound to be, on a day that the global markets are taking a whack. Metals is the first one to fall. Hindalco is down 2.6%. Tata Steel, JSW Steel, etc. lower. Bajaj Auto, HCL Technologies, BEL, Shriram Finance down about 1.5%. That's all okay. What about an HDFC Bank? What about a Reliance? Because yesterday what you saw was a clear move towards some of these very stable blue chip names. Reliance has taken a knock very mildly, less than 0.5%, and Kotak Bank is mildly soft. HDFC Bank, what is that doing? That will just come off you on your screens. HDFC Bank, and that also hasn't fallen all that much. 1,006 is where that stock is, and that's really not bad at all. We've made it, by the way, back to 26,100 a tick. IT, I can see, is seeing some dots of green. TCS just marginally higher. Again, early days. I don't know how much of this, move is going to sustain or perhaps build on to that. 3155 on TCS is where we're currently at. And Nifty IT, relatively resilient right now. It's really not a bad show. I mean, look at that. Just 0.2% lower for both the Nifty and the Sensex right now. We're back at 26,100. Just marking some of those individual names. Let's see what the reaction on M&M is, because of course the brokerages are very, very positive after the company outlined their FY26 to 30th growth outlook in their investor day. Reliance, like I just flagged off, this TCS, they've secured that $1 billion investment from TPG to accelerate their AI data center business. Kotak Mahindra Bank, of course, that board meet is today for the stock split. Godrej Properties, they've crossed that FY26 development guidance with that 75-acre land acquisition in Nagpur. Look out for that. AWL Agri, Adani Commodities is likely to sell that entire 7% stake. Sajid was flagging that off, and I think that block deal has happened. Yeah. Stock around that 275 level. There's VIP Industries as well. They're looking to sell VIP House to promoter entity Kemp and Company. It's a price consideration of about 41 crore rupees. There's Alchem as well. They've launched an in-license probiotic in India. The annual sales potential is at about 2,071 crore rupees. There's IRB Infra as well, that also is a newsmaker. And Hindalco, I was flagging off that stock. There's been a fire at Novelis' aluminum plant in New York, and maybe that's why you're seeing such a knee-jerk reaction play out on Hindalco, which is currently staring in excess of 2.5% of a downtick. But Harsh, really not bad, huh? 26,100 plus.
Yeah, if you look
not at all. Yeah, Sajid.
I was saying that if you look at some of the buyers for Adani, you're going to see some of the key big investors like Vanguard, Charles Schwab, and in the domestic market you have the Bandhan, Quant, SBI, ICICI, and Tata Mutual Fund as some of the buyers which are coming in for that AW Agri block deal where Adani is selling nearly 7% stake in the company there. So that's something which is coming in from sources that those are the buyers for this company.
Kunal, yesterday we were speaking.